So check this out, YouTube. This is what launching does to your car. Don't fucking launch your car. I wasn't even launching when this happened. It just fucking broke. Fucking Mazda. That shit.
Yeah. I ran out of black paint.
You should have just left it alone.
I was looking at it like, oh, I should take the valance off. And like, I pulled on it, and it fell off.
Where is it?
This one, you know. But I pulled on it, thinking it was like clipped in or whatever, and it wasn't actually clipped, it was just glued. I'm assuming by somebody in the past. So it fell off, and I was like, shit, now it's all yellow. So I started spray painting it black, and I ran out of spray paint. But it's okay, because it's going to the shop, and it's going to be in the shop for like a month and a half till I can finish paying for everything to get the rebuild done. But Matt from the shop is coming in right now. It's SWSS Southwest Speed Shop, and they do a lot of good work, a lot of LS cars, mainly LS builds, and gonna get it right. You know, gonna get Canton Racing oil pan. I'm gonna get an AccuSoak, so that way when I drift this car, it doesn't start knocking again, and it should be great. So I guess we'll update you guys again a little bit when we're loading early.
You should check these guys out. There's a dude. Yeah, we definitely need a winch.
Check these guys out. SWSS. Some good stuff. We're gonna follow them down there and see you guys at film.
What's dude's name?
It's Matt.
It's Matt Cunningham from over at SWSS. And EPO will be in his hands for the next month and a half or so.
Alright guys, so we are at SWSS. GTO's here. So I actually had some bad luck last night. We unloaded the car right here, and we were kind of pushing the car, rolling it into the spot where we were going to park it, and turning the steering wheel, and all of a sudden it kind of just popped, and now the steering wheel just turns. The wheels don't turn anymore, and I think the rack might have broke. So I'm gonna look further into it once the engine's out of the car and see what needs to be replaced, or worst case scenario, which is probably more than likely gonna have to replace the whole rack. It sucks, but I'd rather have it happen now than when I'm like 70 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour sideways and it breaks and then I'm screwed and I wreck the car. So that's kind of good, I guess, but kind of shitty at the same time. So you know, but they've got a lot of cool stuff here. A lot of high horsepower cars. That's Isaiah's car. Well, one of Isaiah's cars. You know, I got the dyno. Got the projects going on. This thing's getting LS strap. Got some F bodies. The Fox body back there is getting a 5.3 turbo and it's caged. This truck is getting boosted and they're gonna do some like dune driving. Matt's personal Firebird there, Trans Am, sorry. This thing is pretty nice too. It's getting the engine built. And this thing, this turbo will eat your children. So yeah, I'll update you guys again in a bit. All right, we are back in the garage. Isaiah has a lead foot, and he broke the diff mount. Well, I think one of the bolts was loose, and then the other one snapped off at some point, and now the diff is kind of just like flopping. So we're gonna pull the diff, take it to a fab shop, because one of the bolts, or the bolt holes, the top part of it actually broke off. So we'll have to get it like re-welded, get it filled back in, and like put a hole through it so I can put another bolt in it. But yeah, the car still runs and everything, just not a good idea to drive it right now. I am getting rid of the RB, and well, I actually got rid of it. I just need to go drop it off because I got something. I didn't trade for a bumper, and I didn't trade for an Evo. I got a 240, and it's gonna be my daily. I'll probably slide it from time to time, but you know, it's KAT single cam. I'm not sure if the turbo is gonna stay or not. The guy kind of wants it back, and you know, I did trade a non-running engine that needed like one or two things for a running car. So I mean, you know, still not a bad trade. The body's really clean, and yeah, it's pretty okay, I guess. It's actually really fun. I need to change the spark plugs. Started misfiring on my way home, but they haven't ran the car in 6 months, so hopefully some new spark plugs will clean her up. What do you think?
Yeah, honestly, this car was great. For
Yeah.
what you got it for? I'm jealous. I want a fucking 240 really, really bad, and now you have one. So, yeah.
It's cool, dude.
Zip ties.
All right, I'll get some.
All this loose one.
Let's go get some zip ties.
Fuck, I need to look at my
He's like, oh my god, 240. Fuck my car. Pink. And like, I totally intended to come down here and just do, I can't even remember what I was gonna do real quick. And then I was gonna load up the engine in the truck. And I still need to do that. This thing is like, oh hey, what's up? Like, look at me. All right, guys, I'll update you again in a little bit. Right, so we are back. Isaiah's back into the car, and the diff is almost ready to come out. He's got to take like 2 more things off the sway bar so we can pull everything out. And then we're probably gonna take it to the shop today, get it refabricated so we can get the thing back in there. And yeah, engine's not in the garage anymore. It's in the back of the truck, and it's not the most preferred method of mounting it, but it's not gonna go anywhere. It's just tight. And then about to go drop it off, pick up the hood for the 240, and yeah. All right, guys, I figured I'd show you the 240 I picked up. It looks pretty haggard. It's got 50/50 tails, which I love, but you know, completely stock body. But it is KAT, and it's actually pretty goddamn quick. But yeah, just kind of fucking with the tune a little bit. It's got an SAFC. Watching a bunch of videos, trying to figure out how to use it. You know, and I was getting it a little bit. You know, it's yeah, you know, it's funny. The speedo is like totally screwed. It doesn't even move, and like sometimes it like flutters and whatever. But yeah, it's not terrible. Give you guys a little pull clip here in a second. All right, guys, we are in Edgar's car. It is a right-hand drive swap Subaru WRX Bug-Eye. It's pretty sick. All STI interior. It's got STI intercooler, everything. It's really nice. Come to find out, he was thinking about trading me for the Z, but he didn't hit me up because I said I wanted an STI, and this isn't an STI. But I'm kind of salty because I would have traded him in a heartbeat. I mean, how often do you see a right-hand drive Subaru? I mean, converted or not, it's pretty awesome. I mean, it's really, really clean. It's really nice. I kind of wish he had actually hit me up because I would have traded him. But yeah. What's up, guys? It is a new day, and we're gonna try to finish getting Isaiah's diff out today. So let's go see what he's up to. He's been up for a little while. It's already like 11 o'clock. We both had duty yesterday. I don't even know if he went to sleep. But yeah, so we're gonna go see what's up. The garage is probably destroyed, just like my kids destroyed the living room. And you know, let's go see what's up. And the boys are coming over today for some drinks, so it's gonna get sideways.
We got the diff dropped. Mazda engineers suck.
Yep, pretty ridiculous, but we got it out. All that work.
Look.
The entire rear end apart just for this.
We took everything apart just to drop the diff.
Yep.
Trash. So what's up, YouTube? Right now, Josh is tapping the fresh hole, and it sucks balls.
So you're not supposed to use a drill for this, but we're lazy.
Since our last upload, because we've been dealing with this bitch, and it's absolute fucking trash. It sucks. This is probably the worst car I've ever had to work on, and I hope I never have to work on it again. So we took apart the whole rear end just to drop the diff. Got the diff fixed. That was the easy part. The hard part was getting everything back together in the correct order. Right now we're putting in the last 2 bolts for the top of the diff, and it's still being a whore. So don't buy a Speed 6 unless you plan on having someone else work on it. This shit sucks.
All right, guys. So you're probably gonna laugh at me because I got rid of that 240 already. It's gone. Isaiah's car is about to be finished. We're putting the wheels back on it right now so he can go drive it. Evo still needs to go back to its owner. The G is still a G. Fixed the wheel bearing on the truck. And I traded the 240 for a G. It's actually not bad. The only downside is it's automatic, and I think I need to change the valve cover gaskets because it smokes a little bit. Yeah, stuck the intake from my Z back on it. I still had it, and yeah. It was like, at first it was acting like it didn't want to shift. It was like stuck in 4th gear, but I did a little bit of research and I found out that there's a relay, like right in there, next to the ECU, that when it goes bad, it makes the transmission not want to shift. I got the new relay from the guy I actually traded for. He had another shell, and I popped it in and it started working again just fine. So he's a little salty because now I have a perfectly fine running G, and he's got the 240. I mean, the 240 was fun, but this thing is nice. So pretty stoked about the trade I made. But yeah, I don't plan on drifting this. However, I may slide it from time to time. You know, it's just nice daily. But yeah, I mean, it's got an aftermarket exhaust and intake, and you know, it's a G. So there's that. All right. So Isaiah's car is back on the ground. Diff is fixed. She's dirty, but I'm about to pull her out. right, guys. So thanks for watching. As always, we appreciate you guys watching, and we hope you like our videos. Sorry we haven't been uploading as much as we normally do. We're trying to get better at it. We've been taking a lot of footage, and we've just both had to work a lot, so it's really hard to find time to edit. But yeah, so if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.